When I first started doing home performance work, and of course that was years ago, even before home performance was called home performance, then we just wanted to do work that worked well. I kind of addressed everything as a big technical problem. We didn't really know about duct leakage at first, and we started learning about that by measuring lots of things. So we learned and learned and learned by measuring things. And over the last, for me, 20 years, we've, in my mind, kind of understand all of the technical issues. So now that we understand, we can do enclosures that are twice as good and mechanical systems that are twice as good and yet simple and easy to maintain. So in my mind, we have the technical issues fairly solved. The issue now, as we approach zero net energy by 2020 in California, it's all a people problem. People have this horrible status quo bias. They want to continue to do what they've always done and not change. If change is to occur, they think of change as just adding more stuff. And what really needs to happen is we need to pay attention to the energy efficiency and mechanical details that have come to light over the last 20 years that are simple and easy and affordable and proven, and implement them. But that's where the people problem comes in. There's just such a resistance to that change. So if people would implement things like advanced framing, do air infiltration testing and make sure that their enclosures are tight, and install simple, really tiny mechanical systems that are affordable and will last a long time and are quiet and provide really high comfort levels, we can get to zero net energy fairly easily. But it's that resistance to change that is making it very difficult. As more and more contractors, as the industry starts to pursue high performance enclosures and mechanical systems to meet the 2020 goals of zero net energy in California, one of the keys is workers actually measuring the performance of their own work. It's just so rare in a low bid situation, but it's just so critical for people installing ducts to measure their duct leakage in the systems they install, and measure room air flows to make sure the system will deliver comfort. For people working on enclosures, measure air leakage and look at the assemblies in infrared. When we do that, not only do we assure performance on that job, but we learn all the tricks that enable us to do it even more cost effectively on the next job. So the affordable measurement things that installers can do is a key to moving forward. There is one thing that excites me these days, and we have one builder with a subdivision in Stockton, California, that has done an amazing job at demonstrating cost-effective zero net energy homes. The Habitat for Humanity in San Joaquin County is doing a small subdivision, and their number one goal is affordability. But their number two goal is zero net energy. So they've selected an amazing array of energy features, from advanced framing to low air infiltration, ducts in conditioned space, radiant barriers, and evaluated all of them for cost effectiveness, ease of building, materials conservation. And it is one of the most spectacular projects that demonstrates how affordable zero net energy new homes are. I hope that the mainstream construction industry takes notice of this great demonstration project. So I guess that's the only thing that excites me, is the work George has done. Because all the other, it's time to just do it. For years, we've talked demonstration projects and research, and we need to be over all that now and only give credit to guys that are out there doing it, hopefully in large numbers, and sharing the results.